it is in Karnataka. It's one of the heritage cities of Karnataka, and because of the Mysore Palace itself, and this palace was built by the king of Mysore, Wadiyas. In 1912 it was completed. So we'll go have a look around the palace. Indo-Sarkanic style, that is, it has Indian, Hindu, Muslim, Rajput and Gothic styles of construction. It has domes above it, and outside the gate their motto is, the motto of the king is written that never be terrified, and that's written in Sanskrit. And it's a very big palace. It was a fort for the kings as well. Now it's under the central government, the government of Mysore. And it is a very big, like 4 kilometers, 5 kilometers of palace all around. So it's a very beautiful palace, and we'll see more of the palace inside. So these are the courtyards of the palace. And is one of the most visited places of tourists across India after Taj Mahal. And it is said that the kings of and the rulers of this palace, Mysore, they believed in goddess Chamundi. So that is why this fort faces towards the Chamundi hill, and it's a temple as well over there, the Chamundi goddess temple. So if you come over here, don't forget to visit Chamundi temple also. So now I just visited the palace inside, and unfortunately videography is not allowed inside. But it's a very beautiful, one of the most beautiful palaces I've ever seen. And when you go inside the palace, you get that royal feeling of queen and king. And there is a darbar lift which is still working, and that has AC and DC current together. And there are a lot of pictures and wall paintings that depict the life era of the kings. And there is one hall, and the paintings that were made just in 183 days. All the paintings were made in 183 days by a painter of the king. And there are a lot of other things which you should definitely visit and not miss it. It's a very beautiful place, and it's a very huge and mesmerizing palace. Here we are inside the palace, and there is a Lakshmi Ramana temple inside it, and it was built by Raja Odir, and it's 515 years old temple. And it is said that people tried to trap him, and they gave him the poison in water, but that poison also didn't affect him. So it is said that when you come over here and if you wish something, it will be fulfilled. So do visit over this place when you come to see the palace.
If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.